Our Dntworks ProPak I and II portable delivery units are assembled in lightweight, lockable ABS polycarbonate cases that measure a compact 18.5 by 14.5 by 7.75 inches. They have a carrying handle for easy transport, and there's plenty of storage inside for the integrated items. The unique pull-out design of the control panel makes them easy to clean. Controls are color-coded for ease of identification, training, and utilization. Both models include straight handpiece tubing, an air-water syringe, a self-contained water supply, manual controls for 1 or 2 handpieces that accommodate most brands, 2 non-retractable 4-hole connections, a flush system, and a tool and repair kit. The ProPak II also features a built-in ABS suction system.